So you guys ever wonder how I put the different languages on my videos? I'm going to show you how. Because I had someone ask me to put it in, I think, Arabic. And, you know, I'm happy to do so. YouTube has a lot of languages available, so I'm going to show you how. Okay, so I'm going to go to one of my videos. Now, you're not allowed to watch your own videos on YouTube. Don't do it, people. I've heard people get in trouble for that. You go over here to edit. That's my dog, Nina. So here's my video. So I'm going to go to Subtitles. So my videos are in English automatically, so you have to delete this. Watch. You click the three little dots here, you download it, and you pick point or .srt. Okay, so now it's up here, downloaded. So now I take this and I delete it. And I learned this from another YouTuber, so, and it works. But now I'm gonna add it back in because it's gonna be able to download to translate everything. So I'm looking for English, United States. I add. Now the file that I just deleted, I'm gonna upload it here with the timing, continue. I'm gonna pick it. And you see, look, it translates everything into English with the timing. So I'm gonna press publish. So now I'm gonna add it in Arabic. So I'm gonna add a language. And if you can see, YouTube has like languages that like I never even heard of. It's amazing. The only thing is I don't know how to do this in bulk. I wish I could. You have to do them one by one. But anyway, there's Arabic. I'm gonna add it. And you go here to auto translate and look, it puts it all there for you with the timing. I press publish and that's it. Whoever watches it could watch it in Arabic. Well, the translation. Let's pick another one. Let's pick Armenian. We're gonna add, auto file, publish. Now that translation is not going to be perfect. I can just imagine the typos and everything. But, you know, for someone who just wants to like get the understanding, it's better than nothing. Let's pick, let's go to Spanish. I think I have people that watch me in Spanish. So there's different Spanishes. Spanish, Latin America, Mexico, Spain. Let's just pick United States. I'm going to add, auto translate. And there you go. And that's it. Now let's go back to my video and just see over here. So I'm gonna pause it. But look what shows up. See the languages? You press this. There's different buttons you can press and play with. Settings, you can do all that. See subtitles, Arabic. Here it lets you pick the languages that I added. So, not bad, huh? Not bad. Anyway, for my Arabic friends, there you are. Hope you enjoy my video.